everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. Today I'm launching my February 2019 card class to go, and this is the card class that I do with Wendy. We have 4 cards for you that I'm going to show you. We have some options for you. When you purchase the card class to go, you get exclusive videos. You get a video from myself, you get a video from her. We put together a beautiful PDF document, which is a document that has all the supplies we use, beautiful photos of the cards, all of the measurements, and you can use that PDF to recreate these cards with other product, and you get all of that. It's all exclusive. So this month we are using the Happiness Blooms designer paper, which is this right here. There's all of these beautiful floral images, and we love this paper here. Actually, it's one of my favorite sets. I really love the color combo. The stamp sets that we're using and the dies are the Amazing Life stamp set, and this coordinates with the rectangle stitched dies. And then the other stamp set we have is the Bloom by Bloom set, and that coordinates with this mini punch set, which is super cute. So let me show you the cards, and I'm going to walk you through the options of what you can get. Here you are looking at all 4 cards that you will get. Now you get to make 2 each of these. So you get the envelopes to go with these cards, and then you get to make 2 each of each card. So here are your options. You can get the video and the PDF for $23. So you'll just get the 2 exclusive videos and the PDF for $23. You can get just the kit. So if you don't want any product at all, you already have your product, you just want to get the kits, the envelopes, the PDF, the videos, that is going to be $27. And you'll get all of that priority mail. It's free shipping. We send it out to you, and then you'll get the kits and you can put everything together. So you get everything cut for you, and then you do all of your stamping. So here's a couple other options if you want to get product. You can get the Bloom by Bloom stamp set only, the kits, the video, and the PDF, and that will be $35. You can get all of that instead and get the Amazing Life stamp set, and that will be $35. You can get both stamp sets, the kit, the video, the PDF. You can get that for $58. You can get the Bloom by Bloom bundle and the kits and the videos and the PDF, and that will be $47.50. Or you can get the Amazing Life bundle, which is the rectangle dies, which these have so many dies in them, you guys. You can get that, and that will be $60, and you get a celebration item with that. So you get something free from the celebration catalog, a $50 item. Or the best deal is you can get all of it. You can get the dies, the Amazing Life, the Bloom by Bloom, the punches, that will be $115. You'll get 2 celebration items with that. Now I have 2 more cards that I'm going to design, and I will have an exclusive video and a PDF. They're not shown here, but I will have those, so you will get another PDF and an exclusive video with this product and this color combo using these stamp sets as well. And then I am also introducing this month the punch card for my card class to go. So if you purchase 8 classes to go, you'll get your 9th class free. So that will be included, and there'll be a photo of that punch card on my blog post. So the links to purchase any of these items it's in the YouTube description below, over on my blog post, over on Facebook. If you're seeing this on Facebook, it's in the Facebook description, or if you're seeing this in email, the links are right there. So you can purchase the videos or the kits. There's one link, or you can fill out a form to to let me know what product you want. You can always email me at katinamartinez@live.com if you have questions. Otherwise, pre-order goes for about 2.5, 3 weeks. Then things ship out the end of February. So there's a little confusion this last month for my January kit. The January kits shipped out last week. And so the end of February is when these kits ship out. We have to have a pre-order time. Then I have to have a week or so to cut and package everything. And then they get shipped out. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you all are having a wonderful Wednesday. And I'll be back on Friday to share another project with you.